One morning, you realize your passion has evolved. It's about making a real difference. From that moment, everything you do has a deeper meaning. You imagine, you create. Your ideas shape spaces and experiences. Every line and model a reflection of your vision. With your hands, you design. With technology, you bring those designs to life, testing, refining, and perfecting them before they ever break ground. Automation turns the ordinary into the extraordinary. You collaborate with others, engineers, architects, builders, sharing ideas and solving problems together in the cloud. Here in Dubai, it's even more essential. With Dubai Municipality's BIM submission requirements, having the right skills and tools is key to success. At Orbit Training, we prepare you to meet those standards, equipping you with expert knowledge in Revit and the BIM processes needed for every project submission. You plan, optimize, and bring those plans to life. Piece by piece, you build the world you've envisioned, one that speaks to innovation and creativity. And all of this? It's made possible with Revit, the tool that brings your vision and Dubai's future to life.